In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best leaf blowers in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The DeWalt Brushless handheld blower has a user-friendly variable speed trigger and speed lock, which made our experience using it to be effortless and straightforward. Our tester said they really liked the power control buttons as well as the option to control the power two ways, either on all the time or by using the trigger function. The unit cleared the damp leaves from the patch of grass in 43 seconds, and the dry leaves from the patch of concrete in a speedy 10 seconds. We had a small technical difficulty when attempting to clear the patch of grass from dry leaves. We didn't properly attach the tube during our initial assembly, so it fell out while we were using the leaf blower. Even so, we still managed to finish the task in 52 seconds. The leaf blower has an airflow capacity of 450 CFM and an airflow speed of 125 miles per hour. It consists of 3 pieces, and we were able to finish assembling the unit in a little over 2 minutes. It wasn't super loud either, which is always a bonus. Our tester had to keep switching between the units on and off setting to get the leaves near the chalk-drawn box, but was ultimately unsuccessful at rounding up the leaves into the box, so precision was lacking and our attempt to direct the leaves was taxing. However, the unit performed well in our garden bed test, effectively clearing leaves from the garden without damaging the plants, as well as in the fishing line weight test, quickly moving the different weights. Number 4. Echo's PB9010T Backpack Blower lives up to the promise of a professional-level machine. With its combined airspeed and volume, we cleared leaves in our 6x12-foot test area in a remarkable 4.9 seconds. You'll want to wear hearing protection while using the PB9010T, though, as all the gas-powered goodness isn't quiet, measuring 101.2 decibels at full throttle. We found the backpack straps and padding very comfortable, and the blower tube was easily adjustable for people of different heights. This is a great value, too, helping you do more work in less time and for less money. Number 3. HITA Backpack Blower features a powerful 52.5 cc, 2.5 horsepower 4-stroke engine, capable of producing 516 CFM and 184 miles per hour while creating 70 decibels of noise. It has a large 60.9-ounce fuel tank and weighs 19.6 pounds, and its padded shoulder straps help operators carry the weight comfortably. In our yard test, this blower easily and quickly cleared all debris from all surfaces. While working among potted plants on a patio, the idle speed airflow is gentle enough not to disturb the soil. This backpack blower features a tube-mounted throttle with cruise control, automatic decompression for easy starting, and anti-vibration mounts to reduce vibrations. It comes with swappable nozzles and an adjustable discharge tube. Number 2. Make quick work of yard cleanup with the Ego Power Plus 56-volt cordless leaf blower. It is easily controlled with a variable speed trigger, cruise control dial, and turbo button to move up to 650 CFM of air. We found in our tests that a longer than average body and blow tube reached farther under shrubs than the others, with ample power to clean out built-up debris and matted leaves. This was the most powerful blower we tested but also the heaviest at 10.2 pounds. Most of the extra weight is in the huge battery that also gave this blower the longest runtime. We liked that this blower moved more air with the press of the turbo button but wondered why not simply boost the top-end power at the trigger. Also, the battery weighs a lot more than the others, making us wonder if it really makes sense to add more weight just to carry it longer. This blower offered the strongest air handling ability of all the battery-powered blowers we tested. Number 1. The Worx 40-volt turbine cordless leaf blower power share with brushless motor lets you choose from an airflow capacity of 300 to 470 CFM and from an airflow speed of 60, 69, 80, or 95 miles per hour. Our tester liked that the unit was lightweight and easy to handle with one hand and fairly quiet for how much power it offers. It cleared the patch of grass from dry leaves in 12.9 seconds. Which was the fastest clock time among all the other models on this list for that specific test. It cleared the patch of grass from damp leaves in a slightly faster 12.7 seconds, and the patch of concrete from the dry leaves in a considerably longer 52 seconds. This unit is made up of 3 pieces. While we had no issue following the assembly instructions and finished setting the leaf blower up in less than 2 minutes, we struggled a bit when attaching the final piece. We wish this unit allowed us to have better control over the airflow, since we were unable to round up the leaves in the box we drew with chalk on concrete. However, we were pleased with its power, as it easily pushed the fishing line weights a 10-foot distance. We were also pleased with its long battery life, and our tester said they did not notice any decline in power while the blower was in use. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.